So good morning everyone. How you all are doing? I guess everyone is absolutely fine and healthy, guys. So you see, let us start the third chapter towards a better life, which most of the portion which we already have discussed in the online class, isn't it, guys? So see, let us start the chapter with a very positive, note like good, better, best. Don't take a rest until good become better and better becomes best. So I must tell this is a towards a better, not better life, but to best life. Clear, guys? Now this there is a small story. A teacher write his experience in her notebook. Okay, so let us discuss what she has written about her experience in the classroom, guys. See, there was a teacher who was working with the St. Mary's School in Morris, where there were 34 students, and everyone was very dear to the teacher. Okay, but out of that 34, there was one student whose name was Mark. He was one in a million, guys. Okay, so his appearance was quite neat. His cheerful and happy to be alive attitude made his occasional mischievousness delightful. Okay, Mark talked too often, continuously. So the teacher has reminded him again and again that talking without permission was unacceptable. What impressed the teacher so much that his sincere response every time when teacher used to correct him for misbehaving. Thank you for correcting me, ma'am. Every time the Mark said, thank you for correcting, ma'am. So this attitude was very, peculiar and very, nice attitude and very positive attitude towards the teacher. Okay, so teacher became accustomed of hearing it too many times in a day. Okay, so one fine morning, what happened? The teacher's patience was growing thin when Mark talked too often, and then teacher said no voice. And I mean, teacher said no talking. Everyone should sit silently. Otherwise, if you say one more word, I am going to tap your mouth. Okay. It wasn't a 10 second when Mark chucked and blurted out, Mark is talking again. So teacher, while teacher seen that the Mark is talking with someone, then since the teacher said that if anybody talks, then he or she will put the tap on his or her mouth. So she has to act on the punishment. So what teacher walked to the desk, deliberately opened the drawer and took out a roll of masking tape. Without uttering a single word, she proceeded to Mark's desk, tore off two pieces of tape, and made a big X over his mouth. Then she returned to the front of the classroom. As the teacher glanced at Mark to see how he was behaving, he winked at the teacher. The Mark winked at the teacher. Then teacher started laughing. The entire class cheered, and the teacher walked back to Mark's desk, removed the tap, and shrugged the soldier and shrugged his soldiers. Okay, his first word were, what was the first word of Mark? Thank you for correcting me, ma'am. Okay, so see, guys, this was his attitude, the Mark. Very positive attitude towards the correcting his mistake, guys. Mistakes are bound to happen, guys. There is, not a big deal, but thing is that are you correcting it? Yes or no? Are you giving the space to your faculty members or teachers or your parents, so that they can tell you about your mistakes? That's the big thing. Okay, guys. So see here, there are some discussion which we already have discussed in the what online classes, guys. But still, you please write all the four questions here. Okay, like if you were in the place of Mark, what would be your reaction? Okay, likewise. See, guys, a student is a learner who can compare to the soft mud in the hand of a potter. As the potter molds the mud in a desired way, similarly, teachers or parents mold the learner's life with good ethics, behavior, and values through education and counseling. In this molding process, correction and discipline plays a major important role. Trust me. Okay, correction is nothing but making a learner understand that his or her current behavior is inappropriate. Okay, its escalation can lead to grave consequences. True or not, guys? Tell me. In simple terms, it is an invitation for improvement or betterment. Agree or not? Tell me. I guess you all are agree with me. Now, those who correct us to do a special service for which we should be grateful towards them. Correction helps us to differentiate between right and wrong and shows us the right direction to be followed. Yes or no, guys? See, there was another story. Let us talk about that story. There was a boy who was carrying his teacher writing tablet and stole it and brought it to the home to his mother, who received the stolen goods with much delight. Next, the boy stole a piece of clothing and then other thing, then more, he became a habitual criminal. Okay, as you know, day by day he grew older and became an adult. He stole items of greater and greater values. Time passed and the man was finally caught in the act and taken off to court, where he was sentenced to imprisonment. Okay, his mother stood behind him, weeping as she shouted, "My son, what has become of you?" Okay, so he said to his mother, "Mother, please come closer to me. I want to kiss you." The mother went up to him, and all of a sudden, the adult, or the son, he bit her nose, tugging at it with his teeth until he cut it clean off. Then he said to her mother, "If only you had beaten me at the very beginning when I was brought you the writing tablet, then I would not have been sentenced to imprisonment." Okay, guys. See, guys, I can understand the story. Want to tell you that some the parents, the teachers should correct you, but this act, I don't support this act. Okay, you shouldn't misbehave. Neither you do the same act what this man has done to his mother. Okay, this should not be accepted. Okay, guys. But yeah, parents and teachers are our mentors. They should never be reluctant to give timely correction, provided if you give them such space. Clear? Now let us discuss about these three particular questions. Okay, we already have discussed this question, guys, in the online class, but please go through the questions and we'll discuss it in the classroom itself. Okay, now how does correction help a student? Okay, have you heard that to error is human? Yes, as human being we are inclined to make mistakes and are in need of corrections. We all need to we all need to learn from our mistakes, but how will we learn when there is no one to tell what is right or wrong? When our mistakes are pointed out to us, we become aware of the reality with different perspective, and hence we learn valuable life lessons. Then we are able to turn a bad or negative situation into a good or positive one. If our mistakes are not pointed out, we would continue to believe that we are correct and go on behaving in the same way till we reach the situation of that boy who stole the writing tablet. Yes or no, guys? Huh? Our parents, teacher, or even friends correct us from the lesson they themselves have learned at different life situations. Correction or discipline plays a very important role in the development of our character and help us to become a better human beings. Yes or no, guys? So see, the correction brings about positive change in students' life, everybody's life, not only students, everyone's life. If you correct your, the what the mistakes, you will grow in your life. You are a class 9 students, you have submitted, suppose you have submitted the math assignment. Okay, and suppose the teacher, I mean the sir or ma'am could not or did not correct it, as you have this submitted the copy, so you tend to believe that what you have done is right. But in exam, when the same question came and you solved the question, the teacher cut your mark and you fail in the exam, then who is responsible for your failure? Got it, guys? So you apply the same rule or principle in all your activities. If wrongs are not corrected, you will fail in the exam, guys. I don't believe that you will fail in life, you fail in exam. Okay, so if it should not happen, you must submit your life, like thoughts, words and activities, to be corrected. When you are corrected, like Mark in the first story of the lesson, you must accept them with thanks. At every correction we must learn to say thank you. Sometimes others may not take initiative to correct you because of different reason. then you must request your elders, teachers, faculties, mentors, friends to check your words and action for correction, guys. Okay, so if you accept correction with gratitude, others will correct. If not, then nobody will dare to correct you, guys. Okay, who will correct you? Is correcting others easy? Do you think so? Is it easy? No, definitely not. Everyone will not correct you. Only those who have genuine love for you and want to see you improvement will dare to correct you. In short, correcting sometimes is a noble act, an act of pure love. Correction help the students to realize that she or he is being loved and cared by her or his parents, teachers, and guardians, because they correct only those who they love. Okay, guys. So now here there are some questions. Is please go to the questions. Okay, and here there are some thing to remember, guys. Like, it is better to correct the mistake than to live with it, because correction of mistake is the first step of success. Yes or no, guys? Likewise, remember the two, and please go for the all activities. We will discuss it in the what, in the online class. So thank you so much, guys. Hope from this story you will allow your friends, your parents, your teacher a room, so that they can able to find out the mistakes in you, and they suggest you to correct this such particular mistakes. Okay, so thank you so much. God bless you.